Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So now I'm going to show you how to increase the size of the toolbar in Adobe Photoshop 2021. So now if we look at the icons, they're kind of small, but there is a way that you can make them larger. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to click on Edit, then go to Preferences, then go to General, and from here you will need to click on Interface. And then right here, as you notice, it says UI font size. So make sure that you check by scale UI to font size, and then increase the UI font size to large. Alright, and then click on OK. And now you will need to restart Photoshop. So I'm going to File, Exit. Then I'm going to reopen Photoshop. So now if we look at the icons are larger, and we can see it much better. I mean, before they were small, but now they're kind of large. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.